For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World's Betting. Itiskitimes.co.za. It's Durban City 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1 in the Betway Premiership, a game that was delayed by 30 minutes. We almost did not see a goal, and finally, the fans at the stadium saw a goal towards the end. We saw one goal, which was offside, and then a goal, which was valid. Flavio Silva scoring from a cross from Gaston Sereno. That means Kaizer Chiefs are winners by a goal to 0. The plan almost worked for Gavin Hunt. The 0-0 contain every man behind the ball, but almost does not count. Junior Kanye, what did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Justice.
Sir, justify.
Benedict Sovilakazi. Ngibulise uLindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Ubobzini uShane. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting now and try to fix South African.
The Ox and Ox, man of the match.
Yeah?
Bafana International.
Aye, Skele. Skele mesiphezulu manje.
The Ox and Ox, but it's difficult to pick a man of the match in that
Ufuna
game.
ngewe ngobuso. Yeah, in this
It's difficult to pick.
Yeah,
I can't blame them.
them.
I can't blame them because it's difficult. Who are you going to say is the thing is, the sponsor has a man of the match.
Can they give the referee?
Melipume nomuntu. Just I need to ask you something. Are you already on TV or you're going to be on TV next week? You're not yet on TV. Okay, we'll make an announcement when you're on TV. So our videographer, Justice, his show is going on TV. He will make an announcement next week, Uguti, what time and all of that. Junior, your take on the game, sir?
Yeah, Nkuleko mfethu, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Ukuthola goal Silva. Kushayinedle Silva today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good goal Shayile Mchita. I think good header from him, good technique. Asikhulume nje ngegame yonke, I think the game plan from Kaizer Chiefs. It was very simple. Coming to this game, we're gonna go Swateka side like left. Liepo is going to stay on the line. Uzodlala as a pocket at drop kancane. Every time nomfana uNkosingphile Ngcobo got the ball. Just play to just drop it. Magatena just 10. And then you go wide to Liepo, go and join on the box. Either you run behind the defense or join on the box for a second ball, and then Uliep what it does, it takes somebody on, okanye ulfaka first time the ball. Mangaba isebenzanga badlala backwards idecala fresh. Igame yabo first half being a balance ngikhuluma nge-attack was on the left hand side, that's all. Nomfana Mfundo Vilakazi, I don't think we need to make peace. Angeke acala amagame noma ngabe uyawacala mangabe uyawacala kumele adlale i-best position yakho number 10. Lo mfana kumele ahlala sebholweni ngithi you can't touch the ball after 5 minutes 7 minutes. I don't think confident unayo manje mamdlalisa on the wing akusumuntu one speed. Secondly, you can't take players on. It's good technically. He can't run behind the defense. So I think makahlala ngapha ka right bambulele too much, and iplayer abukuzibeka left bethi determine lo Mchiti Ox. Always he turns ugoga left. Ufuna uNkosingphile Ngcobo makamdlala, they go on the left. Well done to them. I think they created one chance or two. Ngikhuluma nga first half. We're not talking about clear cut chances. Kunebhola I think uNkosingphile ulandile Ox wamdlala wa10 wadlala umdu bet first touch. I think why susamele emehle ebholeni lela bhola bekumele at least ashaye target, make the goalkeeper safe. Ngikhuluma nga first 15 minutes yena uTeaspoon. Well done to Chiefs, because truly speaking look much better. Not to say this game for me deserve a draw. If I can be honest.
Going to a 0-0 draw.
Yeah, deserve a draw. But a better team, not good Benzema. Because if it's not realistic, Kevin Hunt came to this game to defend. He plays in a 5. Sort of. Now he cheats. This guy also plays. Ukati play. Each and every opposition. It doesn't. Extra center back the guy. But la 3 center back. Masi be realistic. It doesn't run much. Ushalala. Abakatele extra center back. So now Kevin. Badlala nga 4-5 i-defensive midfield diamada. Bashiya lengwenye strike up front. Ask everybody to come behind the ball. Una this thing, mina ngiyaqala since I've been watching Betway Premiership. Ngiyaqala ukubona i-Chiefs i-team Betway Premiership respecting i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo cause uKevin uyihloniphile i-Chiefs. It's the first time ngibona coach, because each and every coach edlala Chiefs, but they go to Kaizer Chiefs. Kube Chiefs ke babhicha, but Kevin we respect Kaizer Chiefs. Masiba nje realistic. Chiefs didn't play, but Kevin he just bekadlala nje beka shift nje ne play Chiefs. If singaba nevara. Be player abo beka right bona Kevin Hunt. But playing on the right, wanting that guy, you go, you wing back and then playing wanting to cross akuna number boxing. She's striker. Then when I think is a international player.
Kamatuka.
From
Namibia.
Umshe one. He's not going to win anything.
So in other words, Gavin Hunt wanted a draw in this game.
And then wanted the counter-attack. Udlala counter-attack, you don't have numbers up front. Ufuna liya ngwenye nibambele ibhola so that people can join. Why angacala ngoDomingos? Because midfield yakhe, they didn't play nabo labantu abayi-2. Bona bo Notata, they didn't play. Didn't even show up. Even if they show up, they play back pass and then for defense to play kube ne second ball. That's all. I-play yakhe beyilapho ukuthi udlala counter-attack, we're going to close Kaizer Chiefs. I wanted a draw. Away, uthatha game, we Moses Mapita for a draw. Unfortunately, a disaster for Kevin. Second half, I think Chiefs, the coach, bringing Serino. Much better from him. Ufuna more from him. International play, we are overseas. Today. What we need from him, take responsibility. Sometimes we don't have to pass. The ball, ungadlali safe. Namhla uyenzile. Umbonile risk. And uma risk uba more dangerous ucela. Yeah, want consistency. Consistency ungayenzi namhlanje
every match
please cause namhlanje kube nama moment but Serino mhlawumbe ngisho special player ebheka le drop kick good first touch good run asikhulume ngerun bamfaka lapha good run good first touch drop kick well done this guy Silva ukuthi athathe le run atake ibhola well done adlale far post. I think the goalkeeper there's nothing that they could do he could do but iDurban City nayo the way bamakhenga khona ngale goal I think Kevin Hunt is going to be angry. You can't mark Zona. Labanda by 3, leaving this guy going and attack the ball. Where was defender?
Finish,
you can't. I will done. Shy,
top striker.
I scared. I put that in Togo. Minang great.
Top striker.
Minang no things afun Gusbon.
It's not his first goal. Top striker. It's not the
first
time. Top striker.
Minang kule I don't want to be fooled.
Between him and Shaluli, it was better.
But the Sheba Fani just in a correct. No, he's got a strong character. In the a dangerous guy, got a strong character in the masterai. He understands his teammate, Shalili. He understands sometimes teammates. He's got a strong character, irrespective. I'm shout out you, put him on the bench for 2 minutes, he can score for you. Psychologically, is so strong. We increase you for it. Top strike. Well done to Cheese. Well done to Cheese.
Scored winning goals for Chiefs.
Well done to Cheese. But I'll be realistic.
Okay, let's go back to. Let me be serious a little bit. I was joking around, but let me be serious. Bamkipe uSilva bamfakele uLilepo. Ulilepo was filling in a striker. Ighodaro was a striker. So now, if Umayo on an injury, you have Flavio Silva, you have Ighodaro, what do you do?
I play with Ulilepo lapha central. It's a striker. It's not a wing. Ayela lapha phambili. Yeah, angit bafuna ukudlala ngama cross. Is chola ngithi. Yeah, they go wide. The player be wide.
Yeah, everything goes wide.
Every move that they're doing, they go wide. And then akadlali lapha.
So uzocross la ubani ngoba kubonakala ngathi Chiefs it dependa kuLilepo ukuthi across.
It is what they must do. Umntu must go wide to the left. Umntu choose nice Shabalala. You need to come to party at Kaizer Chiefs. We can't he got a collab. I mean, it's supposed to be medicine straight realistic. It's been a while now go to Premiership. Angeke adlale ngama moment. This game umfana uyapraise njengale game etrinile. We expected a lot from umntu. Udlala as number 10. Uyemela decide game Chiefs. Udlala ngama instruction umntu. Nawe thatha accountability. Bathi kuwe udlala pocket. Every time you coach your game plan uyayibona ukuthi bathe dropper u10 10 uyothatha ishot on target. Just go and score. Be responsible. Udlala number 10 uChiefs decide the game. Yenza game. Mfethu senze sihlale. Umntu so you need to learn that. So he must go on the left and then uLilepo go central. Mhlambe ngapha ka right kuye na mhlambe mina go with Serena mhlambe. Okanye uSerena ngimdlalise la ku number 10.
So you don't think the coaches will look at Flavio and think, okay, you scored a winning goal, let's give you a chance next game?
Yes, angithi
if you score a winning goal, we'll put you as a striker.
But unfortunately, Flavio last week he didn't play.
I think he's been injured in many of the.
Yeah, obvious coming next week they will start with him. But he can't be a striker since he's the first choice. He can't be. But these coaches, what they do, they will think. Okay, really, vele na EP coach bezomqala.
Chiefs ibuya kwi-win yeSimba Junior. Iwinile namhlanje. It could have been a draw this game. It deserved a draw, but it will feel like a win because it is a win for Chiefs. What about the momentum? Don't you think these players, I think either Orbit College or something midweek next week, do you not think that they go to the next game but be confident?
Chiefs you can predict. They won games that they were not supposed to. Sometimes mina bengacabanga ukuthi bazowina. Njengoba ngasho the first 5 games wabo hayi maybe questionable. And then they came back, lost 3 against kuSkhukhune, draw games about 2 in a row. Bacala manje they dropping points, badlala ama-draw, lose ama game. So they won the game 3. A comfortable win over the weekend, but the poor side. Mene sibe nevarleze Simba zikho grand. Nathi singazithela induku lesa. Masingahlala Diski TV. Sikuvimise lapha singathela induku. Mara well done to Chiefs.
Yeah, but the point is that Bahlangan said 2 wins in a row. I agree with you, Guti, but up and down. Obviously, you can never trust them. Is this not going to help them? Going to the next game, good Betway, we go there, we've won 2.
Yeah, motivate, and I'm happy for them. I say this be realistic because irrespective they won 1-0. Tina Sangashuti, they can make many
It was supposed to be a draw this game.
True. I fact in fact, yeah, but Bazwa results going forward. Obvious. And it is over some cause they didn't play. Wow, wow for them. It's a game been a moment. Yes, Kevin came to defend and again I got deserving expected throw at least to this game. As Usho, Bona, they are highly motivated. In Kulmang, I'm a coach. I'm talking about players. They will say everything is okay. You understand? But yet depend on issues. It depends on your position.
I'm not sure if it's Obit. Let me just double check. Yeah, I suspect, but it's a midweek game that they're playing, and all the time with the Chiefs, the concern is that they are always playing teams they should beat. Durban City is a promoted team, but the team because of their history and who they are. But then it was almost 0-0. Yeah, it just took one moment for them. Yeah, it's actually Obit College on Tuesday.
And Obit, I think they won the last game.
But you would assume because Obit is in the bottom 8.
Yeah, but the Sandra Matlem is experienced player.
Well, is in the bottom 8. They've lost a lot of matches. I think at some point they've lost 4 or 5 matches so far this season. But because they are Chiefs and inconsistent, you can never really trust that they will win. But you should, as Chiefs, go into that game thinking that you're going to win.
Yeah, Chiefs, it's very important. The Sanu Ramashem Patel, but it's not enough. Chiefs, I think those boys about to graduate. They are supposed to win that game comfortably. Chiefs.
Unfortunately, we'll be surprised during the game. Direction sometimes.
So Ibona next week, but true, they are motivated. Obitic surprise, Ogani Chiefs continuing after winning today, now weekend. But Abeko consistent. Based on the players, type of players that they've got, in question the quality of players. Because sometimes the job issue, play a coach, tactics you can apply with this is how we're gonna approach games. Stella Nina, bring your intelligence to the game. Sicela nilethe ubuhlakani bayibiza ngobuhlali lethana ubuhlali benu mfethu to the game and then imix nalento variation icoach ifuna ngoba kunabala ubona khona ukuthi can break here central variation game you can't go wide bantshela but go wide and then nenza ama cross and then Darren Kit is always reading in defense predictable to Chiefs. Nanabi begins so win games and then he lost 3 games. He win 2, he lost 4 games or draw 4 games. I be consistent. So they must come up with a plan which Kulma players themselves.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Kaizer Chiefs winning. It's much better to do videos when a team has won, like 1-0, or even if it was Durban City winning. To do videos when it's 0-0, it means the audience is not interested. Even us, we are not interested because we just sat here for 2 hours and there was no goal. So I'm glad even for the people in Durban, they get to see a big team. Whenever Pirates is there and Chiefs is there, they get to see those Joburg teams visiting and they fill up the stadium so that they can see their favorite teams winning. So at least it's a win for Chiefs and a win for the fans as well. It is Diski Times, also sweating.
Shapunjan Bafwetu, Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafwetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Diski TV.